All right, JC on the mic with Coach Monel Calios. Coach, how are you? How are you today? How are you feeling?
Okay naman, kakatapos lang ng check-up.
Yeah.
Kaya medyo, ako daw yung official coach,
Yeah,
pero wala ako officially digdi.
yeah,
Pero ang credit, siyempre, sa mga good coaches na
Yeah.
yaon. Kaya Robert,
correct.
kaya mga sila Joshua, sila Tuble, si Juni. Good job para sa Inda. 5-0 ang
Yeah,
Tobacco.
correct. Tell us what you liked seeing from watching this Team Tobacco team. How did they go 5-0 here at the ECL?
Sabi ko nga, ang team na to, defending champion.
Yeah,
And experience,
yeah,
most of my players may experience kasi
Yeah.
mga dating varsity players yan.
yeah,
So, nakikita ko naman on both ends,
Yeah.
they execute well.
yeah.
And with the help of the coaches, mas lalong naggagayon ang performance nila.
Now, Coach, let's talk about their opponents here tonight in Team Malinao. I'm sure you've watched them as well. Ano sa iling mo? What do they need to defend here against Team Malinao and avoid their first loss here in the ECL?
Sabi ko nga ang Malinaw may full court pressure.
Hmm.
Sabi ko sa kanila, paglaro lang tayo na pogi.
What do you mean? Oh, see.
Diba?
Yeah.
Keep your poise. Na ang gusto kaan, ang purpose kaan, mamadalion tayo, hidalion tang execution ta sa
Correct.
offense.
Correct.
Pero, sabi ko, pag nagkawat kita with poise, dahil yan, less dribble, the better. Pag may nahiling na kita, may nainot na,
Yeah.
i-cross na, tulos ang bola.
Yeah.
Ayan po ang saro sa mga gustuhan. Gusto paano kaya yan, maratel ang kalaban nila. They get more points. Sa gabos na kinawat ninda nahiling ko ang
Yeah.
Malinaw, dumansinda, iyo ang bread and butter ninda sa full court pressure nila.
Points of
So,
turnovers.
Yes. So yun po ang gusto kong i-emphasize dito
Yeah.
sa mga players ko. Kay Puhan, ma-dominate me ang rebound.
Yeah.
So para well execution, they have to make good decision and shot selection para makuha meaning ganang ina.
Coach, ang next kong apot sa imo, what should be the keys to the victory here in in Team Tobacco? Pero mukhang nasagot mo na yon. Ang last question ko na lang, Coach, sa'yo, makikita ba namin ikaw, if ever man makalusot ang Team Tobacco sa championship, makikita ba namin ikaw sa sideline?
Ay, opo. Yaon na po
Okay.
ako. Okay po ako.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Coach.
Thank you din po.
Thank you for doing this interview and good luck to your team.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.